Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear the numerical portion of market equilibrium. So do subscribe my channel to see more videos related to the numerical portion of market equilibrium. So first of all, let us see what is given in the statement. Quantity demanded and quantity supplied is given. Find the equilibrium price and quantity, and suppose that if new supply function is given, then find out the new equilibrium price and new equilibrium quantity. So let us start with part A. We know that quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. This is the equation, or by putting the value 500 minus P is equal to 350 plus 2P, or 500 minus 350 is equal to 2P plus P, or 150 is equal to 3P, or P is equal to 50. So P50 means equilibrium price is equal to 50. Now equilibrium quantity by demand side. QD is equal to 500 minus P, or by putting the value this equilibrium price in this equation, we get 500 minus 50 is equal to 450, and equilibrium quantity putting by the supply side, we get QS is equal to 350 plus 2P is equal to 350 plus 2 multiplied by equilibrium price is equal to 350 plus 100 is equal to 450. So here quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied again. Now for the second part of the sum, he is saying that we know that quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. This is the equation. Now quantity demanded is equal to 500 minus P. Rather we have to put new quantity supplied, which is 200 plus P, or 500 minus 200 is equal to, this is 2P, is equal to 2P plus P, or 300 is equal to 3P, or P is equal to 100. This P 100 is equal to equilibrium price, which is 100. Now again equilibrium quantity by demand side. We will take equilibrium demand previous and equilibrium quantity new. Equilibrium demand, quantity demanded is equal to 500 minus P is equal to 500 minus, we are putting this equilibrium price in it, which is equivalent to 400. So the equilibrium quantity is 400, and equilibrium quantity by supply side. Now we are taking new supply equation. Quantity supplied is equal to 200 plus 2P is equal to, by putting the value 200 plus 2 multiplied by this 100 is equal to 200 plus 200, which is equivalent to 400. So again, quantity demanded and quantity supplied both are equal, which is 400 and 400. So in this way we can make a equilibrium between demand and supply, and we can calculate the market equilibrium easily. Thank you.